Meron lang tayong ano, no? Bago tayo pumunta sa ating action. Tingnan muna natin, no? Meron lang tayong dalawang major concern, no? Number 7 player season. Of course, napakaganda ng ginawa nitong season. Number 14 is Hortaleza. And again, to complete the five. Parang nga dito nandyan din itong si Pasto. Then, another. Tingnan natin dito. Yung number 26, Guzman. And of course, 25, UC Jaguars. Canilo from downtown. Another basket, ano? Medyo yung mga basket, no? Ng UC Jaguars from 3-point territory. Medyo maganda na. Pero itong si Espinosa, may sagot agad. Traffic situation, number 7. Number 3 na. Number 24 for 2. Again. Wow. Sa bawat basket before. Let's see. Another pulls. So walang problema na. Another pulls. Number 24 for UC. Hindi na pumasok. Rebound. Another 2 for UC Jaguars. Ano? At may tumawag ng timeout. Ang hinahanap natin itong season, ano? Another pulls. Finally, ano? Medyo maganda na yung execution dito ng UB Cardinals, yung hustle play dito. Number 12. And again, basket is good. Parang nga dito sa UC Jaguars. Tingnan natin. To number 9. Another pulls. Basket naman. Traffic situation na naman. Ito, behind the back. Titingnan natin. Espinosa. Sa finally, ano? Espinosa possession. Green shirt. Hanggaan pa rin. From the top. Basket is good, ano? Itong si Prado po high on that 3-point territory itong UC Jaguars, pero ito naman biglang nagkulap yung kanilang depensa. 29, ano? Sanchez for 2. Another goal, another basket, ano? Titignan natin, medyo malakas na. 3-on-1. Ito, easy layup na lamang para nga dito sa UB. Esperos pick, lapit konti. Ang bola, live ball pa rin, ano? Isgana to Dibera. Spin, traffic situation sa ilalim, ano? Nag-aantay na lamang. Si Hortaleza. Wala pa silang nagagawa. Number 62. Floater. That's it, ano? Again, this is it, ano? Ito na yung gustong play talaga ni Coach. Again, number 7 on top. To De Guzman on the low post. De Guzman forcing the issue. De Guzman for 2. And again, finally yan. Another pulls, wala pa rin. Rebound. Finally, no? After that, back to back by the UC, no? Yung kanilang defensive play. Ito, nawala na naman. Tumatakbo ngayon. Basket is good, ano? Ito na. Espinosa, still on top. Espinosa, forcing the issue. 2 points para dito kay Espinosa. So nakita niya talagang medyo another pulls. That's then, ano? That's another top. UB Cardinals running. Ano ba tawag doon, ano? Talagang another steal. 3-on-2 situation para sa UB Cardinals. Again, Cardinals sa UC Jaguars. De La Cuadra. Another pulls. Basket. Cardinals thinking 3. Another. Basket is good. Ano? Sagutan na dito ng 3. Spins. Rivera. Ganda ng dukat. Ano? Ito na ngayon. Number 9. Dire-diretso. Again, basket is good. Para sa UC. Another possession. Ito na ngayon. Almost half gone by in this quarter. Season for 2. Season number 23. Another push. All net, ano? Para dito sa UB Cardinals. Number. Ito na ang Cardinals. Tumatakbo. 2-on-1 situation. 5-0. Traffic situation. Medyo maganda yung dukot dito. Tumatakbo ang UB. Another play, ano? Talagang yung back-to-back na from BNR. Medyo masakit yun. Another pull sa Rivera. Walang problema, no? Ito ang masakit dahil dala. Another tap. Basket is good. And again, back to back. Traffic situation, ano? Talagang nagawan pa ng paraan ng UB Cardinals. Kalamangan dito. Biggest man for 2. So, ito na yung inaantay natin, ano? David. Number 11, another pulls. Using the glass, no? Once again, lahat yun, medyo maganda yung kanyang percentage ng last game. Pero ito na, UC Jaguars. So, basket for UC Jaguars. Medyo pawis na rin, no? Talagang pumasok na para dito kay Police Base. Biggest man. So sayang, ano, kanina nagkaroon ng steal pero ano, talagang hindi nila na-convert into points. Medyo masakit yan dahil kanina nga sila yung may hawak na kalamangan, but at the so that's the end of our final game this afternoon, ano?